Hello and welcome to all of you on my productive and skill oriented training platform. In this episode, we are going to explore management applications or management platforms about the virtualization industry. Generally, if we talk about the virtualization platforms, so we have two major categories. The first one is the hypervisors, while in the second category, we align all kinds of applications, tools, protocols, and services about the management, administration, implementation, designing, monitoring, and that kind of stuff regarding the virtualization industry. In this regard, for open source applications, Proxmox is available and independently perform all these kinds of applications from scratch, from basic steps to advanced level or a tier 3 level data centers. And if I talk about VMware, so definitely there is a vCenter server available which perform all kinds of operations in the virtualization industry from scratch to till top level. But the important thing is VMware charges for both applications, for its hypervisor and for its vCenter server as well. So that's the major factor about which we can say that most of the time organizations generally prefer to go with the Proxmox. But if I talk about the Proxmox, so there are number of services which generally not available free of cost with Proxmox as well. So if you want to get tested or bug-free updates on the platform of Linux or on the platform of open source side, so you need to buy licenses for Proxmox as well. And if I move forward and see these management tools regarding Microsoft, so there are lots of tools available, and important thing is that these tools are free of cost. Let's suppose if I have a data center in that data center I'm running a Microsoft hypervisor, and I want to perform all these kinds of advanced level operations. Let's suppose that I want to create software defined storage, I want to create software defined data center, and if I want to go through software defined networks. So for that purpose, a tremendous kind of tool which is free of cost available on the platform of Microsoft, and that tool is called Windows Admin Center. So with the help of Windows Admin Center, you can perform all tasks from creating cluster which is based on the HCI technology. You can perform hybrid cloud operations. You can integrate your complete cloud infrastructure. You can migrate your VMs. You can take the snapshots. You can create PowerShell scripts. You can automate your services and all these kinds of stuff with the help of Windows Admin Center. And if you want to learn more about the Windows Admin Center, so a complete link available inside the description regarding how you can install, implement, and configure Windows Admin Center. Now, if I move forward, so the other features, let's suppose if I'm working on the platform of Microsoft, so there is a cluster manager which is completely free again, and you can perform virtual machine migrations, storage migrations, and all stuff related with the virtualization platform without any licensing cost. And there are another very comprehensive tool available which is known as Microsoft System Center Virtual Machine Manager, and this tool is a tremendous kinds of features and capabilities also available inside. So you can go with all these three major products and get complete benefit from the Microsoft platform as well. So these are the three major products whenever we talk about the management implementation, or you can say any kind of top tier level data center operations regarding the virtualization platform. If you have any questions, regarding the Proxmox, regarding the KVM, VMware ESXi, or if you want to discuss anything about the Microsoft virtualization platforms, so you can write back us on our email address, and you can also give your feedback in the comment section as well. Thank you very much.